When your engine is running, a little bit of the explosion that propels the vehicle leaks past the piston into the bottom part of the engine. Allowing this gas to mix with the engine oil would cause the oil to deteriorate very quickly. So all engines have a system that sucks some fresh air into the bottom of the engine and then sucks the contaminated air out so that it can be burned in the engine. Although this air is filtered before it enters the engine, it still contains some oil vapor, and when the vapor mixes with cold air entering the engine, a layer of carbon can build up on the walls of the intake manifold and on the back of the intake valves. On older vehicles, the fuel injection system sprayed fuel onto the back of the intake valves, washing away most of the oil deposits. But many newer engines use direct injection systems that spray the fuel directly into the combustion chamber. These systems allow for increased power and fuel economy with lower emissions, but are much more susceptible to carbon buildup on the back of the valves, which results in a loss of performance and efficiency and can cause rough running. Various preventative maintenance options exist for cleaning carbon out of the intake system of your vehicle. But a common method involves adding a chemical cleaner through a precisely controlled spray system to dissolve the carbon deposits and burn them in the engine. By performing this service as part of your routine maintenance, you can prevent the formation of heavy carbon buildup that can result in much more expensive work being required. Maintaining a clean intake system will keep exhaust emission cleaner and optimize fuel economy.